Hey everybody, welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're going to turn up the speakers, get the energy flowing so we can learn in peak state. Let's go! Welcome back to Peak State Mathematics. We're looking at factoring by parts today. So we've been doing a lot of trinomial kind of stuff, but when we get into situations with four terms, we're going to want to see if we can factor this a different way. So if we have those four terms, we might be able to factor them by parts. And the way for us to check that is, does the product of the first and last term, like that first and the outer coefficient, do those multiply together and equal the same as the product of the two inside coefficients? So in this case, we're looking at, does 2 times 9 equal 6 times 3? And in this case, obviously 18 equals 18, and we're in good shape. So this actually will tell us and confirm that this is factorable by parts. And we're going to go ahead and just basically put like an imaginary wall kind of in between those, the first two terms and the second two terms. In fact, right now I'm just going to demonstrate even more separate. So in those first two, we see we can pull out a 2x squared. In the second two, we can pull out a positive 3, and we're left with the x plus 3. Now, after we have factored from both pieces and we've pulled out those greatest common factors out of the first two terms and the last two terms, we'll discover that those parentheses that are left over, if we've done it correctly, they should be the exact same. And that's kind of like it's our signal that shows us that we've done it correctly, right? So the new greatest common factor is that parentheses, right? Because x plus 3 is in both parts. So when we pull out the x plus 3, we're left with 2x squared plus 3. Okay, and that's how we're going to be able to factor by parts. I hope that helps. Go ahead and try a couple on your own. Get back in peak state. Here we go. Hey everybody, thanks so much for watching this video lesson. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. Please hit subscribe so you have access to all of our video lessons. And if you want live, free tutoring with me every single Monday, check out peakstatemathematics.com and sign up for that. Until next time, remember, always learn in a peak state.